Not every gaming setup is built to play. Some are engineered to dominate. And in 2026, gaming is no longer just a hobby. It's a lifestyle, a status symbol, a personal universe, a full-blown luxury experience. Today, we're stepping into a world where performance meets obsession, where every detail is designed for immersion, where comfort becomes power, and where your setup doesn't just look expensive. It feels like the future. From AI-powered battle stations to elite ergonomic thrones, transparent displays, reactive ambient lighting, and gadgets so advanced they almost feel unfair. These are 33 insane luxury gaming tech gadgets you need in 2026. And trust me, by the end of this video, your current setup might start feeling painfully outdated. Let's begin. Number 1. The curved OLED ultra-wide gaming display. This is not a monitor. This is mission control. The blacks are deeper, the highlights are sharper, the colors feel alive, and the motion is so smooth it almost stops looking digital. Whether you're drifting through neon city streets, sniping across massive open worlds, or editing content at 2 in the morning, an ultra-wide OLED transforms your desk into a luxury command center. Number 2. The mechanical keyboard with magnetic switches. Not loud for attention, not flashy for children, not gimmicky for trends. Premium, precise, and dangerously satisfying. Every keystroke feels sharp, intentional, and addictive. It's the kind of keyboard that makes even ordinary typing feel expensive. Number 3. A glass-top RGB gaming desk. This is where style and performance collide. The glow beneath the tempered glass, the hidden cable routing underneath, the clean futuristic silhouette. This is the kind of desk that instantly tells people, you didn't just build a setup, you built a throne. Number 4. The luxury ergonomic gaming chair. Because no matter how powerful your hardware is, if your body gives up after 1 hour, you already lost. The best chairs in 2026 are designed like performance car interiors, premium cushioning, adaptive lumbar support, cooling materials, and posture control that keeps you locked in for hours without destroying your back. Number 5. The AI Smart Ambient Lighting System. This is where your room stops being a room and becomes an atmosphere. The lights react to your display, pulse with explosions, shift with your soundtrack, glow with your mood, and turn every gaming session into a cinematic event. Number 6. The wireless charging mousepad. Simple, minimal, and ridiculously useful. No more dead mouse. No more ugly charging cables. No more unnecessary clutter. Just a smooth luxury surface that keeps your gear powered while you play. Number 7. The premium lightweight gaming mouse. Fast hands deserve fast hardware. And in 2026, luxury mice are lighter, sharper, and more accurate than ever. Every flick feels instant. Every click feels intentional. Every movement feels locked in. And every second of control feels built for one thing: winning. Number 8. The dual-screen monitor arm setup. Because premium setups don't just perform better, they breathe better. When your displays float above the desk, everything looks cleaner, sharper, more expensive, and dramatically more professional. Number 9. The 4D haptic gaming headset. This is not just about hearing sound, it's about feeling impact. The footsteps, the recoil, the engine vibration, the deep explosion that lands in your chest. It's immersive in a way ordinary audio simply cannot touch. Number 10. The luxury desktop microphone with studio quality sound. Because if you stream, create, game with friends, or just want your voice to sound expensive, this is essential. Crisp audio instantly upgrades your presence. And yes, people notice. Number 11. The AI webcam with cinematic face tracking. This is where streaming starts looking unfair. Smart framing, auto lighting correction, crisp 4K clarity, and intelligent face tracking that keeps you centered like a premium production studio. Number 12. The smart soundbar for gaming rooms. If headphones feel too isolating, This is your move. Deep room-filling bass, wide spatial sound, and enough presence to make your walls feel alive. Number 13. The motorized sit-stand gaming desk. Because luxury in 2026 is not just about aesthetics, it's about comfort with intelligence. One tap, and your entire battle station rises like something from a sci-fi film. Standing mode for focus, seated mode for immersion, zero compromise. Number 14. The transparent PC case with panoramic glass. This is where your computer becomes art. Liquid cooling lines, RGB memory glow, mirror-finished hardware, cable perfection. This is not something you hide under a desk. This is something you display with pride. Number 15. The custom liquid cooling system. Not because you absolutely need it, because luxury is rarely about need, it's about experience. The smooth coolant flow, the visual engineering, the silent thermal control, the clean mechanical beauty. This is performance with presence. Number 16. The gaming room scent diffuser. Yes, luxury has a smell. Clean cedar, dark leather, cold metallic freshness. A subtle premium fragrance can completely change the energy of your room. It sounds extra until you experience it. Number 17. The smart mini fridge for your gaming zone. This is convenience at its finest. Cold drinks, late night energy, no interruptions, no kitchen trips, no broken momentum. Just reach, open, and continue your empire. Number 18. The high-end console dock and display station. Because if you own elite gear, it should be presented like elite gear. A premium dock instantly upgrades your PlayStation, Xbox, or handheld setup into something cleaner, sharper, and more intentional. Number 19. The wireless surround speaker pods. Tiny footprint, massive impact. Place them around your room. And suddenly your games don't just happen in front of you, they happen around you. Number 20. The luxury gaming glasses with blue light protection. Long sessions wear down your eyes faster than most people realize. These keep your vision fresher, your focus sharper, and your face cam look cleaner too. Number 21. The Stream Deck control panel. This gadget makes your setup feel dangerous. One tap to switch scenes. One tap to launch effects. One tap to trigger lights, music, camera changes, and automation. It's not just useful, it feels powerful. Number 22. The Premium Cable Management System. This is one of the most underrated luxury upgrades of all, because no setup looks expensive with spaghetti wires hanging everywhere, hidden trays, magnetic sleeves, under-desk channels, and clean routing that instantly makes your room look 5 times more premium. Number 23. The AI voice-controlled smart assistant hub. Lights, music, screens, temperature, speakers, cameras, all controlled with one sentence. That's not convenience. That's control. That's status. Number 24. The holographic clock and desk display. A small detail, but one that changes everything. Time, weather, system stats, and notifications floating in a futuristic form factor instantly makes your setup feel like it came from another decade. Number 25. The gaming projector for cinematic wall play. This is where things start getting wild. Massive visuals, dark room immersion, explosive scale. Console or PC projected like your own private luxury gaming theater. For racing titles, story-driven masterpieces, and sports simulations. This is next level. Number 26. The smart blackout curtains. Most people never think about this, but true immersion requires control. Control of light, control of mood, control of distraction. One tap, and your room transforms from normal daylight reality into full focus mode. Number 27. The luxury footrest with heat and massage. Sounds unnecessary until you try one. Then suddenly, you start wondering why every expensive setup doesn't include it. Because peak gaming isn't only about your hands. It's about your whole body staying relaxed, supported, and locked in. Number 28. The premium tablet side display. This is where multitasking becomes elegant. Discord on one side, Spotify on another, game guides, stock charts, chat windows, stream controls. Everything accessible without ruining your main display. Number 29. The designer acoustic wall panels. They look beautiful, but they do far more than decorate. They reduce echo, clean up your mic audio, sharpen your room acoustics, and add that rich, studio-grade luxury aesthetic to your space. Number 30. The RGB glass speaker towers. Tall, sleek, futuristic, and designed to impress before they even make a sound. These are the kind of speakers that instantly become the centerpiece of the room. Number 31. The high-speed luxury handheld gaming console. This is for the modern gamer who refuses to compromise. Portable no longer means weak. In 2026, handheld gaming has become elite. Sharp displays, premium materials, desktop-level visuals, and enough power to turn airports, hotel rooms, and late-night couch sessions into luxury experiences. Number 32. The smart cooling fan system for your setup room. You don't think about temperature until your room starts feeling like a server farm. Luxury setups stay cool, quiet, stable, and comfortable. A smart cooling system protects your focus and your hardware at the same time. Number 33. The fully synchronized AI luxury gaming ecosystem. This is the final boss. When your monitor, lighting, audio, desk, PC, camera, and room environment all work together. That's when a setup stops being hardware and becomes an experience. This is where gaming becomes cinematic, where productivity becomes addictive, where your room becomes your escape, and where every session feels like entering your own private futuristic universe. Because the truth is, luxury gaming is not just about spending more, it's about choosing better. Better design, better comfort, better immersion, better energy, better presence. And in 2026, the people winning are not just the ones with faster hardware. They're the ones building environments that make them feel unstoppable. That's the difference between a random setup and a Voltrenza level setup. One plays games, the other creates worlds. So if you had to upgrade just one thing today, what would it be? The OLED display? The transparent PC? The AI lighting? Or the full futuristic battle station? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more luxury future tech, elite smart gadgets, and next-level setup inspiration, subscribe to Voltrenza, because the future doesn't belong to average. It belongs to those who build it first. And trust me, we're just getting started.